Hi, my name is Peter Vox and welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. I am the director and principal teacher of Vox Singing Academy, which was established in 1993 here in beautiful Melbourne, Australia. If you like this channel, please click like and subscribe to keep up with all of our videos. If you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments section below and I will attempt to get to as many of them as I possibly can. If we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. We have 3 products. The Ultimate Online Singing Course, streaming high quality courses to you anywhere, anytime. We have a 5-day free trial. You can check it out for free. We have in-studio singing lessons at our 6 Melbourne studios, private singing lessons and also group lessons. We also have private online singing lessons all around the world, 7 days a week. For more info, check out the info in the description below. And without any further ado, let's get stuck into the next question. Can I purchase the Ultimate Online Singing Course as a gift or as a voucher? Yes, the Ultimate Online Singing Course is available for you to purchase as a gift and gift this to someone else. This is the perfect gift for Christmas, birthdays, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, 4th of July, any occasion, or for anyone that you think just needs a little encouragement or help with their singing. So you can check out the link below that's in the description. I'll put a link in there. Very easy to follow. Fill out the form, pay. It will email a gift certificate to the person or even yourself as well too. So very, very easy to follow. And you can gift the Ultimate Online Singing Course, also private singing lessons here in Melbourne or online singing lessons as well too. I'll also put a link in the description for that as well too. So there'll be 2 links in the descriptions below. I hope that that answers your question. Again, if we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we'd be absolutely honored. Most importantly, be good to each other, enjoy your singing, and I'll see you on the next episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. Peace and out. Bye-bye.